All right, so we were putting coolant in yesterday. Which that video is uploading. Yes, we did.
And today.
And today, because Scotty already changed it out once, but it leaked again. So, note right here. I wish you could feel this.
Move your finger.
Ooh,
I'll do a pointer. If we look right there, next to the long silver thing that's bouncing.
Yeah, you can see the blue paint from when we painted.
There and there.
It's eroded into there. But you can see that's why the water's coming through. So this thing's just going to get hit heavily with sealant because we got to make it seal. But it's not hard.
Yes, it is. That's actually really hard. See?
Scotty. Oh my God.
I said this was hard. It's hard.
Yes, dear. Okay. Well, I'm going to shoot this. Ooh, there we go. Nice shot right there. All right. So clean this baby up. We got extra core plugs, which is good. I'm gonna goopity goop with the liquid Teflon, and we're gonna send it in, and we're gonna let it set up.
Yeah, and see, we should let it dry for quite a while.
Till at least tomorrow, if not early next week, because we're waiting on a couple of things anyway. And then go from there. All right. Got a fresh one in there. We're going to let that set up, and then I'm going to clean up the little bit of excess. But we definitely had a lot on there, so it kind of fills in that gap. Because, of course, that one had the gap, like we discussed.
Mind the gap?
Mind the gap. Anyway, I'm going to put the plug back in down here, pipe plug. Be done with that. And then maybe tomorrow we'll take round 2 of putting water in.